afternoon to you, my lecturer. My name is Bibi Muslim Thomas, and I have two colleagues along with me who work on this project, and their names are Miss Mitzi Peters and Miss Susie John. I will be introducing the 21st century classroom that we have worked on. Here I have a smart board, a chalkboard, and my three types of learners. Here I have my maths area. Here I have AC also. The children will learn shapes. They will learn comparing quantities and their signs. They will learn to count. And here I have some manipulatives that can help the children to count and also do comparing of quantities. Here also I have a little number chart here. Over here I have my reading corner along with my literacy corner. In my reading corner you can find the days of the week. You can find a speaker. The reason for my speaker is that the children will be able to listen to phonic sounds so that they can learn letter sounds. Over here I have a book rack with a lot of storybooks that the children can have easy access to reading books. Over here at my literacy corner I have the alphabet chart. I have a word wall that will help children to learn words. And down here I have one of many of the family, the word family, and this one is the at family. This will help children to blend and pronounce words. Over here I have another AC, and this is my technology area. Here I have a television. Here I have my plugging points. Here I have my computers and two chairs to occupy learners. Here I have a printer, and the reason for this in my classroom is to help to print worksheets and also help students to learn to type. Over here I have my patriotic corner where the children will learn about our president, our prime minister, the minister of education, and even symbols of our nationhood. Here now I have my social studies corner. In this corner we can find the types of families. Over here I have a motivation area that will light up my pupils. When they come to school, we will recite all of these wonderful wording here. They also have a mat here where they can take off their footwear, come on the mat, and point to these wonderful reading. Over here I have my health corner. Here I have a sink where they can wash their hands. Here I have a bowl. Here I have soap. Over here I have my science corner. In my science corner you can find the parts of the body. You can find the parts of a plant, and here you can find animals and their young as well.